We were invited to our friend Marcus's place, and he's making Argentinian style barbecue. He was quite interested in how the Argentinians make barbecue, and that's where the whole thing started. So he traveled to Argentina and learned the Argentinian way of making Argentinian barbecue from a master chef. So he actually spent a whole month by this teacher just mastering and learning the Argentinian way of preparing and cooking barbecue. Look at this. So it's a slightly different setup from the typical Brazilian barbecue. It smells great for sure. There's banana and there's bread being roasted on the fire, on the ashes, and sausages, and of course some beef. The first cut came of the barbecue. Oh my goodness, look at that, cooked to perfection. I love it that it's rare in the middle. It looks super juicy. I'm gonna give it a try in a moment. So this banana was actually quite delicious. It's obviously the green banana that they used for the barbecue. And then the meat is being served with this homemade, some sort of sauce. It's very tasty. And then, of course, you have to have beer next to this barbecue. So our master chef Marcus just pulled off another trick. Marcus is actually running a little side hustle, and that's his company right there. So those of you in Cuiabá region, you can actually hire him to do barbecue on your events. He's doing some magic in here, and I tasted what he's cooking and it tastes delicious. Marcus's barbecue is just getting more and more interesting in here. Oh my gosh, I wonder what else he has in his sleeves. No wonder he's very popular. They invite him a lot to a lot of parties. I'm not surprised. I think he's going to put some bread on the barbecue. Some nice garlic bread. So I actually learned that it wasn't garlic bread. Look at this. And then there is chocolate bread. It's nicknamed Australian bread. I'm not 100% sure because I never saw this in Australia. But it's bread filled with chocolate. So the capsicum with the egg just came off the barbecue. So the caramel bread also came off the barbecue. I haven't tried it yet, but apparently it's really delicious. I mean, how can you go wrong with chocolate? We're very grateful for his family, very grateful for Marcus that he invited us to his house, and we had the opportunity to try his barbecue.
The fool expects, the wise perfects. Faith of the Jungle, education beyond adventure.